If you want to run Linux on a Windows system, you need to see this tutorial from the beginning to the end. By end of this video, you are able to run any Linux command on your own Windows operating system. So let's begin.
Windows allow you to run any Linux tools within it. So for that you need some things like my processor is like Intel i5 4th generation CPU. It is very old CPU and with 8 GB of RAM and 343 GB of storage. Although there is very little space in my C drive to install it, but it is enough to install it 19.3, and what need is internet access. So to start it you have to just type and search turn Windows feature on off. Select this and go to the down menu and select the Windows Subsystem for Linux. Select it and press OK. So you need to restart your PC. After restarting, go to the directory and you can see here is a little penguin here. So this folder is empty. So now you have to install the any of Linux operating system. So for that you have to just here search cmd for command prompt. You have to type WSL Windows system for Linux subsystem for Linux -- list -- online. So it will give the list of online Linux system. So here you can see several Linux distribution are here: Ubuntu, Debian, Kali, Ubuntu 20, 24, 22 and others. So to install any of these you have to just use this command, and so I'm going to install the latest Ubuntu 24th version. So it is the total script to install it within the command prompt, and let's enter. So now it is asking to enter the username. So I'm going to use username study tech, enter. So password, re-enter password, So it is done. Let's check it. Just ls and l. Let's check the directory where it is, pwd, and you can see it is home study tech. Go to your directory folder. Now you can see here the Ubuntu 24.04, and here is all the operating system file for your Ubuntu. You can check all things like in the back directory. Sorry, and so here is the all files for your Linux system. So after successful installation of the Linux system, you just need to update all these file by using the sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade. Let's do it. Let's update all this component. Now you can just exit this command prompt, and here is the Ubuntu. I guess you can just increase the font size. This. So let's update it. Sudo apt update. So you have to enter the password. Now it is updating. So update process is done. Then sudo apt upgrade. Capital Y, yes. Okay, it is almost done. No need to further any action. So let's check it. So now you can use any Linux tool within this Windows system. So here you just type Ubuntu and just enter here. It will appear the terminal of your system. You can just pin it in your taskbar, or you can make any shortcut. So that's it. This is the tutorial to install the Ubuntu or any Linux system. So after successful installation and the update, now you can see here is the total size of the C drive, 17.1. So you can calculate how much size you need to install a Linux system on your Windows operating system. So that's all.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.